about football. Which football club and why?
My favorite football club is Arsenal, and it's because they play elegant football.
Who's your favorite football player right now and why?
My favorite football player right now is probably either Saka or Neymar.
Why?
Because they both play with flair, and they both carry their respective teams, and they're very calm under pressure, like me.
What type of music do you listen to before a match?
Before a match, I have my own playlist. Like I put in songs that makes me focus. So that's what I do.
Like what?
Like there's like songs in there, like songs from FIFA, and also songs like Brazil songs like Balada.
How did it feel when you played your first game?
During what?
Like anything?
Oh, but the first time I played football was when I was, I think, 4 or 5 years old. So I think I just enjoyed playing football, just like running around.
What's your favorite formation and why?
My favorite formation is either 4-3-3 or 4-2-3-1,
Why?
because that's what I play on FIFA.
First year before the match.
I don't feel pressure. You cannot put pressure on me, no chance.
Am I taking a penalty?
I think of the goal. When I take my run up, I think of the goal like it's getting bigger, and so I just focus on scoring, not the keeper.
I see. When you first step on the pitch,
I think when I play a game, I normally pray to get out of the game safe, to not get any injuries because I have a lot of injuries, and then I hope that I can play really good, and I just focus on myself, knowing that I can score and do things. Not like this.
for letting us interview you.
Yes, yes.